So here we have an artificial 5-foot tall fake olive tree, and this comes in a cement plastic pot that makes it very convenient and sturdy to stand on its own, but you could put it into your own style potting container and make it work with your indoor or outdoor decor. This one comes in at 59 inches, but you have a 4-foot version and a 6-foot version available. The tree features a brown trunk that splits into stems, and the fake leaves are elegantly displayed, accented with fake olives that's very realistic. No one can tell if it's real or fake. As we zoom in close, this is great for a home office, a living room. It gives a classic Mediterranean style look, and it's great for outdoor patios and even front planters in front of the house. You could just place this in any room in your home and it'll fit right in. Of course, this is very low maintenance, no watering, no need to worry about limited sunlight or wilting. Maybe just a slight dusting now and then, and you're good to go. So an olive tree is a symbol of peace, wisdom, and abundance. This is what makes it great for a living area. And it's also good for commercial spaces and commercial office. So if you're looking for a little green space and a green feel in a room, and you don't want the maintenance to come with it, and full-time beauty, then this is the way to go.